Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we're going to look at 40 Winter Street, Unit 1. This is a first floor apartment, one bedroom. It's a cozy little living space, perfect for a single person or a couple. Here we have the bathroom here. The bathroom does have handrails if you have handicap assistance needed. Vinyl floors, full-size tub and shower. The main rooms have panel flooring equipped, freshly painted walls, has a space heater for efficiency and heating up the whole unit. It would be the bedroom. It has a unique layout. Cozy little closet to the right here. Going back to the main living room area for a small little setup, small dining room table. I'm going to take a look at the kitchen here. It has a stainless steel sink and a new countertop. And then we have the stove in the corner here. It's a quaint little apartment. And this property is managed by Nexus, meaning you do have access to payments online, a 24-hour hotline number in case of emergencies or maintenance. And we do offer services such as key copying. Again, this is 40 Winter Street, Unit 1, Fall River, Massachusetts.